Now I'm reacting to the van won't start scene from the 1996 101 Dalmatians film. Another funny scene from the film. Anyway, let's go.
You just had to let those puppies get away, didn't you? Never paying attention.
Well, where was you?
I was not splashing about in the pond. You've infuriated the old bag, and if we don't get those puppies back, it is quite literally our heads. Oh, come on! Right, you better get out and check the tailpipe. We've got a condensation problem.
One of these days, I'm going to be full up of you.
Oh. Oh, dude, come on! There you see.
No matter how.
I love all these scenes with these. It's so funny, like I said, they remind me of Marin Hab. Only one downfall is the scenes are too short, that's the only downfall. Anyway, great scene. Thanks for watching.